So guys, then open any browsers to Google search box to type Lenovo ThinkPad E16 and go to this first URL and then right click to this tab. Then first audio driver. So you can see this audio driver and click to download. Now this is downloading. After that, click to open this setup. And then yes, then next, I accept, next, install, next, next. Then guys, click to OK and then finish it. Then restart.